What is up, guys? Oh my gosh, it has been a freaking hot minute. Flipping hot minute. Wow. Hi. What is up? Good morning, good afternoon. It is like 12:30 in the afternoon. I am so excited to finally be filming another video, and it has been a really long time since I filmed a sit-down video for you guys. I feel like lately I've just been vlogging a lot, or like just vlogging my day or whatever it may be. So I'm really excited for this video today. It's an exciting video. I have been shopping quite a bit lately, just like here and there. I figured, you know, I was thinking about it and I was like, to justify buying all these things, I should just make a video out of it. So here I am. Without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new, and let's get into this video. Alright, so you know from the title obviously, but if you didn't read it for some weird reason, this is a clothing haul. So I have things from the thrift store, a couple different ones, Target. I think that is all for the clothes. I'm actually going to be filming a separate video today as well on all of like homeware type stuff, because I just have too much stuff to put into one video because I think that'd be way too long and drawn out. So right now, just doing the clothes. And of course, I will go ahead and try these on for you guys to show them. It'll be a surprise, but I did a few things to alter the clothes, some of them I got, so I think that's pretty cool. Give you guys a couple little tips on maybe how to find something and make it look a little bit more your style. So let's go ahead and get into these clothes because I have quite a bit. Okay, so I have my Urban Outfitters big old bag here. I've had this for a long time. I love that place. There's not one close to me, so I like never shop there, but this is from when I shopped some random time. I just put all my clothes in it, and it is filled to the top, as you can see. Okay, so starting off with a bang, we have this cute khaki tan cropped, like kind of dressed up tee. It has these really adorable kind of marbly buttons. And it is from Coldwater Creek brand. It actually is a size like PS for petite small, but maybe that's why it seems so cropped, but I really liked it. And this is from the thrift store. Definitely a good find from the thrift store, and I was actually surprised. I found a lot that I actually liked. I'm surprised that I found a lot because usually I maybe find one or like none at all, so this is a good thrift shopping. The next two ones I have for you are actually from Target, and they're like basically the same thing but different. So this one I thought was just a little bit different. It's from the Wild Table brand from Target. Oh, update. I actually had my last day last Saturday. That was amazing and it feels so good. It's gonna be weird getting my last paycheck next week, but anyway, I feel like a free woman and I am so happy, and now I get to post more videos and make more content and just relax. Anyway, back to the video. So this is just like the ribbed, or I don't know what you call them, like the little curly sleeves and the bottom. Is it called ribbed? Let me know below. I don't remember. Lime green and like turquoisey striped shirt, which I just thought was so cute, and obviously it's cropped because I mean, why not? The next shirt that's like the same thing is basically the same thing but just black and white stripes. I mean, I don't really have anything like this, so I don't really have stripes, but I really like them, so I wanted to buy these two because I thought they were really fun. Yeah, all of the clothes I got were all like shirts, tops, so hope that's not a problem for you. Next one is from Chico's. Well, it's by the brand Chico's, but it's from the thrift store. And it's just this like, what is this? Let me see. This is 100% cotton. Gotcha. And it has these like same type of cool, like almost looking like shells from the beach or something, like little marble buttons. I think they're so cute detailing, and I really like this shirt. It's like the same style as the other one, but from the different brand. But it's cropped and just like really light and airy, and totally a great summer shirt. Love the collar. Little pocket there. Great find. The next shirt I got, also from the thrift store. It's mostly from the thrift store. This is from, actually it's from Old Navy. Oh, cool. But it is this like camel looking orangey caramel color shirt. And I love that it has these little tassels in the front. Hello. These little detailings on the middle and the sleeves and the bottom, and it's just a very like puffed out shirt, very loose, comfortable, and I actually think this would be great for summer, maybe like in the nighttime or something, like summer nights, just because it's very light and loose and airy. So I love that, but you could also wear it for like fall, so after summer's over. So I thought this was a great find as well. Okay, this next one is a little different. I think it's cute. You'll see in a second how I style it. I think that's the best way for it to like look good, because wearing it by how it is, I probably wouldn't have got it. But I wasn't sure if it was like too grandma or if it was cute, but let me know what you think. But I ended up getting it, so guess it wasn't too grandma. But here it is. It's from the brand Loft, from the thrift store, and it's like this, I don't even know, like a button-down shirt. It has these cuff sleeves and these like orange and green and pink flowers all over it with a white background. Then it also has these ruffles in the middle, and then it buttons down. But I decided to tie it up, so it's kind of more like cute and cropped and more my style. But I just thought that was a little different. It also has the collars like the ruffles as well, so I thought that was pretty freaking adorable. So let me know what you think. This next shirt, I was thinking more it would be like a pool, beach, whatever cover-up, swimsuit cover-up. It's from Faded Glory, the brand from the thrift store. And it's just this really light, loose, airy white button down. Has cropped sleeves. And it's pretty simple. It actually has like the buttons are like snap buttons, which I think is funny, but like easy. So that'd be good at the pool. The style is it kind of like the lines go down like the fabric. And I really like this. I think it'd be a good beach cover-up, like just like a shirt. I don't really have any, I just wear t-shirts, so. Okay, so this next shirt is also from the thrift store. It's actually from the guys section. Tip on thrift store shopping: if you're looking for like oversized t-shirts or graphic tees or anything like that sort, definitely go to the guys section, because the women's like usually never has anything, or if they do, it's like not cute. So I got a few things from the guys section in the thrift store. This is one of them, and I actually cut this and cropped it because it was a lot longer. Now it's just this cute simple tee, and it has like that kind of salt and pepper look to it. It was a lot longer, so I ended up cutting it last night at the bottom and cropping it, and it fit so much better. Yeah, so I actually saved the fabric so you could see how much longer it was, but this is like the extra fabric, and it just made it a lot easier. So if you want to style something better for your body, you just think it's more cute in your style, you can totally just mess with it. Scissors, you know, can't go wrong unless you just cut it all up and it's too short and it's like cropped up here, so then you kind of can't go back. But I also cropped this shirt. This is from Target, from the Mighty Fine. They're like graphic tees kind of brand. I don't know, I just thought this was really cute graphic tee. I don't really have very many graphic tees. I think they're so adorable, and I really want them because you can style them so many ways. Like, you can just be casual, you can style them up with some jewelry, like some, you know, whatever, jackets and stuff. So I cropped this one as well, and I just thought it was really cute, and I like the colors. Like, this is how much I cropped off, so it makes it much easier. Okay, this next one is from Target as well, from the brand, Disney brand, from Toy Story, I guess. I haven't seen the new one, so don't spoil it for me. This one is actually from the guys section in Target, because they have a big graphic tee section as well. And I ended up cropping it. It says Pizza Planet Food and Fun Space Port, serving your local star cluster. I just thought it was so like retro and fun and just like really cute and simple, so I got that for myself. So this next shirt is from the brand Liz Sport, I don't know, but from the thrift store, and I actually didn't crop it, but I cut off the sleeves. So I trimmed the sleeves to make them like kind of like, they go kind of to my elbow, I guess. Just like this, you know, light khaki tan color. You can tell by the wrinkles, but I basically just, you know, tie it up, and it makes it really adorable. I'm trying not to say cute on everything, but it's freaking hard, okay? It's freaking hard. Alright, there's a few more left. These next two shirts are both from the thrift store in the guys section, and they're not graphic tees, but I was just looking for either graphics or just like really comfortable, like loungy at home type whatever kind of shirts, or just hangout shirts. And I got this one. It's oversized, and what caught me was these little buttons. Just like does this quarter button up right here, and I just really like that. I just thought that was a cute little detail, and this is from Puritan. I don't know, it's a guy's, probably like guy's underwear brand or something, who knows. Oversized, gray tee. Love that. Comfort is key, people. Comfort is key. Okay, so yeah, this next one, guys section, is from Cherokee. I'm pretty sure, I think Cherokee is a like underwear brand for guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. This is just like, you know, army green. Just, it's literally just a plain t-shirt.
Hello, young people.
It's just oversized, pretty big. Yeah, just comfy. That's all. Okay, and then for the last piece that I got from the thrift store, it's from Faded Glory, and this was a little different. It's not like, I would say, like my typical style, I guess, but I don't know, I just thought it was really just, I don't know, cute and like a fun piece to have. So let me show you. It is this blue and white striped little like jacket thing, but the thing is these are cropped sleeves, which I really like, and it has adorable buttons. Also has that little detail on the back that goes across, which I think is so cute. And yeah, I just thought this was a little different, and like I really liked it. And the buttons remind me of kind of a sailor, like a boat, or like this is like cute little sailor coat. I don't know. The buttons I thought were super cute, so don't pay attention. My pillow is like really sagging back there. Looks pretty sad. Alright, so that is it for this little thrift Target haul, clothing haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and it felt nice to sit down and just like relax in a video instead of like being all crazy and taking my camera everywhere and vlogging the whole day. So kind of a little nice to relax a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a like and thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more since I'm not working there anymore. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell, because YouTube is weird, because if you don't, sometimes you won't get notified when I post new videos, and it like you might miss a few, and you don't want that now, do you? So alright, that is all. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!